How to use FaceApp without creating an account? Want to use FaceApp without signing up for an account? No problem. Here's a clear step-by-step guide to help you use FaceApp as a guest with no login required. Start by downloading the FaceApp from your App Store. Search for FaceApp. Hit search. Now download it. Once installed, open the app. Here you notice it doesn't ask you to create an account right away. FaceApp allows users to edit photos without signing up. When prompted to log in or start a trial, simply tap the cross button to continue without creating an account. As it hasn't asked me anything, it's directly on my gallery. Now here, choose a photo from your gallery. Or you can tap the camera icon to take a new selfie. FaceApp will request permission to access your photos. Grant it so you can upload an image. Tap on it. Now once your photo is loaded, scroll through the free filters at the bottom of the screen. You will see many filters like smiles, hair colors and more. Just tap on filter to preview it in real time, like this. Okay, tap on glasses and tap on apply. Now once you're happy with the result, tap Save in the top right corner to download the photo to your phone. And that's how you use FaceApp without creating an account. It's fast, easy and lets you explore tons of free filters. No sign-in required. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thank you for watching.